college students engage in thousands of experiential learning opportunities every year, including internships, community-based learning, and other field experience and practicums. Many students are inexperienced in regards to what is and isn't appropriate behavior in the workplace and may be left vulnerable without adequate preparation and training. University of Wisconsin-Parkside is proud to announce a training solution for your students: safety and empowerment for experiential learning, professional behavior, and appropriate boundaries. This engaging, fully virtual training will equip students with the knowledge and tools to advocate for their own safety and well-being in professional settings, as well as for others. Safety and empowerment improves equity for those engaged in experiential learning and focuses on self-advocacy, personal empowerment, equity and inclusion, professionalism, and bystander training. Developed in partnership with e-learning company Dynamic Training Resources, this training keeps students engaged through attractive graphics, interactive activities, and animated scenarios that allow students to make choices in realistic situations and see the outcome of those choices. The entire training is professionally narrated and fully accessible, including closed captioning and screen reader compatibility. With an average completion time of 40 minutes, Safety and Empowerment is a concise solution that allows students to gain this critical knowledge anytime and anywhere. Safety and Empowerment can be easily imported to your institution's learning management system, allowing instructors to add the training to their courses as graded or ungraded assignments. Students must pass the final quiz with a score of at least 80% in order to earn their certificate of completion. We at University of Wisconsin-Parkside are excited at the potential of this training to move the needle on safety, empowerment, and equity for students engaged in experiential learning. Get in touch with us to learn more about how to integrate this training on your campus. We look forward to sharing this impactful resource with your students.